Hey guys, how is it going? So today I have no work. Weather is gloomy and windy. I decided to show you what do I usually use to clean up the bike. So let's get on to it. This is what I use. It's the Honda spray. As it says here, spray, cleaner and polish, and quickly cleans, polishes and protects. So it actually leaves a kind of like a layer to protect the surface of the bike. You can use it on plastic, chrome, paint and aluminum. It's like a detailer in a can. Cleans road grime, grease and bugs without water. So that's the main point, the waterless. So, and with a microfiber towel, I will show you. Basically pretty straightforward how it's done. So to make it easy and so that I do not miss any part of the bike, I'll just start from the front right to the end and make the bike clean and shiny. Look at this, how much grime gets to be wiped off. Of course, some of them are from them rims, but I should have shown you before I wipe off the wheels. But as you can see, it's pretty good. Yeah. Alright. Look at how clean, shiny and reflective the whole bike is. In this case, if you are looking for a fast, easy and yet effective way to clean up your bike after a ride, especially after a rainy day, the Honda spray is the way to go. Look at this. It's totally mint and shiny. Doesn't take much time at all. So if you're looking for more helpful videos in the future, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more bike contents. Peace out.